Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. So today I thought I'd show you what I've been buying for my summer holiday. I am so excited to go away. I just can't even wait. It's actually over a month, but I've actually been buying a few bits. There's a few like travel bits in here. We've got beauty, we've got clothing. So I just thought I'd put it all in one video and do like a little bit of like a collective haul. I do actually have a couple of really good travel pieces that I feel like if any of you are going on holiday then you might find really beneficial, and obviously I want to share all the beauty bits that I'm taking away with me as well. So I have mentioned in my previous videos, in fact I'm a little bit sick of saying it to be honest, and I feel like you guys might be a bit sick of saying it, but I'm going to Milan and Florence in well over a month, like I say. So this trip is a little bit different because it's not like a beach bikini holiday. Hopefully we'll be going on a beach bikini holiday at some point, but who knows. It's kind of like city vibes, so I still have a lot of luggage because I just can't travel light. I try and I just can't do it, but I am trying to buy minis and beauty minis of all my favourite products. I like having all the same things with me when I go away as when I'm at home. So I've kind of been buying miniatures of my favourite products, which you might have seen a few in previous videos, but this is all brand new stuff what I'm going to show you today. So I think I'm going to show you the beauty bits, the travel bits, and then the clothing that I've been buying as well. So because it's Milan and Florence, it's kind of like a city break. I want to do a bit of shopping while I'm there, so I'm trying to keep my weight of my luggage down a little bit. Oh, the first thing that I have got is minis of my favourite shampoo and conditioner. So this is the Grow Gorgeous Volume shampoo and conditioner. I actually got a little bargain with this because it was a Christmas cracker that was like left over on Look Fantastic for Christmas. I think they still have it. If they do, I'll link it below, but if not, they do actually have these individually, and they do have other sets as well where you can get the shampoo and conditioner. It came with this Volume Root Stimulating Primer, which I probably won't take away with me, but for the purpose of this video I'm going to put it with it. I've also unboxed all of these. I haven't got the original packaging it came in because I actually got this like a week and a half ago, but I've only just got around to filming this video. So yeah, I just got little miniatures of my favourite shampoo and conditioner. I also really like the Olaplex and I love REBECCAC shampoo and conditioners as well, but recently I just love this one, and I feel like because I'm going to be doing my hair quite a lot, like loads of different styles and stuff, I definitely want to go with the volume. I love it when brands do travel sizes of their products. It just makes it so much better when you're going on holiday. So picked up two of those, and I did actually mention, I think it was in my last video, my perfume collection, which by the way I cannot believe how well loved that video is. Like, I'm honestly just blown away. Thank you so much for all the love on that video. But I did actually mention this set. So this is from Sol de Janeiro, and it has the shower gel, the body cream, and the body spray in it, and this is perfect for travel. I did actually say in my last video that every time I go away I buy another one of these because honestly these three products are just my holiday essentials. So the shower gel is pretty much self-explanatory. We all need a shower gel when we go away, so this one is like the perfect size, and this shower gel as well is beautiful. It smells like the Brazilian Bum Bum cream. If you've tried this you will know how beautiful this smells. It is like the summer dream. Like, this is in one of my top 5 all-time beauty products ever. Been using it for years, love it. So I've got the little shower gel to take away with me, so that's perfect. I have a little mini Bum Bum cream, again Sol de Janeiro body creams. I use them every single day of my life, morning and night. I always use Sol de Janeiro, so this is a perfect little mini one to take away with me. And then it comes with this little body spray which has the same scent as both of the other products as well, and what I do with this is I take this out in the day. So no matter if I'm on a bikini holiday, a beach holiday, I'm going to a beach club, if I'm on a city break, anything like that, the size of this is perfect to just pop in your beach bag, pop in your little bag, little city bag, just to refresh throughout the day. So I always like to take one of these with me. When I took it to Ibiza a couple of years ago, everyone was like, what have you just sprayed? I was spraying everyone. So yeah, this set of 3 is so good, and I love that you get the travel bag with it as well. It's nice and clear, so airport vibes, you know what I mean? But if you've never tried anything from Sol de Janeiro also, this is a good place to start because my code works on it. You do get a bit of discount on it when you use my code. You don't have to use my code, I'm just saying, but it's so good because it introduces you to 3 different products you can kind of try before you buy. I just feel like it's such a good place to start if you've never tried anything from the brand, so picked up one of those. Another thing that I got from Look Fantastic is my favourite dry shampoo. So this is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day dry shampoo. I also like the advanced clean version of this, really good. So basically I have tried so many dry shampoos in the past, so many, but nothing compared to this. It's so good. This is expensive, but I've tried ones that are either the same price or even more expensive, and honestly nothing is as good as this. It's absolutely 10 out of 10. And I don't use dry shampoo that often, but I do use it now and again. Obviously, because this is a city holiday, I'm not going to be getting my hair wet every day in the pool, in the sea and things like that. So I'm not going to be washing my hair every single day of the holiday. I might wash it like 2-3 times while I'm there, just because of the heat. So I feel like if I want to go from day to night, it's been a bit hot, I just want to refresh the hair, this is perfect. And I know this is so good, so that when I go away, I know it's going to work. That's what I love about taking my actual products away with me, because I need to know that it's going to work. I need to know that my hair's going to get clean. I need to know that I'm using my usual skincare. I'm not going to get breakouts. Do you know what I mean? Like, I want to take my actual favourite product. These are a little bit irrelevant, but I just got a few bits at the supermarket. Just got a little mouthwash, toothpaste, and a little mini deodorant. Supermarket do good minis, I won't lie. Okay, so moving on to travel products. I've only got 3, but I feel like they're really good ones. This first one, I was absolutely blown away by this. So obviously all my makeup is in storage like this. I don't keep it in like a makeup bag. I don't have a makeup bag that I kind of like take away with me. So basically I saw this one on Look Fantastic and I thought that is absolutely perfect for traveling. So this is from Flatlay Co. So I have actually had one of these before, which is one of the ones that you kind of drawstring back up, you know, it's like a circle. But then I saw this one online and I thought, wow, this is actually amazing. So it's basically flat and thin like this, but it actually opens up into a box like this. So all your makeup is in this kind of like box, so you can see all of your products, which is what I love, because sometimes with normal makeup bags, the ones that you just kind of unzip, you're kind of rummaging through everything's spilling out onto the surfaces, all your makeup's everywhere. Whereas this, I feel like you can see all of your products. It's absolutely amazing. I feel like you can get absolutely loads in this, but when you zip it up, it is actually quite compact. So it goes into like a little cube, like a little box like this, and it's got a little handle. I just think this is so good. Like, this is like a revelation for me, you know. So yeah, I am actually going to save this for when I go away. I just think it's absolutely amazing. I've never seen anything like that before, and when I was looking for a new makeup bag to take away, I was like, oh no, I definitely need to get that one. But they have loads of different colours. It's actually vegan leather as well, guys. It's not actual leather. They have like clear ones, everything. Absolutely amazing. 10 out of 10. And then I got a couple of bits from Shein, I don't know how you say it. I just got some of these empty bottles and empty pots, because I'm going to take my moisturiser in one of the little pots, because I can't find a miniature version of my moisturiser. I'm going to use some for like micellar water, because I'm not going to buy a new small micellar water when I've already got loads at home. I'm just going to decant it. And then I'm going to use this spray one for maybe like setting spray or something like that, because again, kind of hard to find miniature versions of the setting spray. But yeah, I just know that I've got these if I need them, do you know what I mean? And then this is probably one of my favourite travel hacks. So do you know when you take all your jewellery on holiday with you and your earrings are kind of mismatched, can't find necklaces and everything's tangled together? It's so annoying. So I've actually been using these the past 2 years that I've been on holiday, and they are a game changer. They're literally like £1.50 or something like that. You get a pack of 10, or you can get more. They're just like these little cubes, and you basically put your earrings or like one necklace, belly chain, anklet, whatever, and they just clip into this box like this. So I'll put like a pair of hoops in this, I'll put a necklace in this, I'll put like little bracelets in each one, and they just keep together and they just kind of stay in their own little pods. I find that these are the best for earrings, especially because I can never, like, some of my earrings like these ones are quite like small and fiddly, so just by keeping them in something like that, I just find that is so much easier. Okay, so moving on to clothing. So I have some bits from Shein, a few bits from Zara, nothing major. Like, I've only got like a few bits so far. I have actually already got loads of stuff that I haven't worn yet that I bought last summer. Like, I haven't even worn it, still got the tags on, which is so bad. But that's me, you know. So I'll do the Shein bits first. I'll put pictures of the products here as well. I haven't actually filmed any clips or took any photos of me trying them on. I'm really sorry, guys. Start with probably my favourite thing that I've got, which is a skirt. Now, guys, these kind of things that I've bought in this haul, a lot of them are not me. They're not really my style, but I'm thinking like Milan is like classy vibes. I'm used to like Ibiza Spanish holiday vibes, whereas this is a very classy time, you know what I mean? So I've tried to go with things a bit out of my comfort zone, wear something a bit different, and these are like very girly things for me as well. Like, I'm a trousers kind of girl, I'm not really like a skirt person. So yeah, anyway, got this skirt. Now I actually love this skirt, like I'm obsessed with it. When I saw it I was like, that's really nice. And I did actually at one point have some trousers that match this. I think my sister might have them actually, not from Shein, they're from Primark, but when I saw this skirt I was like, oh, it reminds me of those trousers, and I really love those trousers, so I'm gonna love the skirt. And I do love the skirt. So it's just kind of like a mid-axi, is it, like between midi and maxi, like a long flowy skirt. It's like plissé material, and it's just kind of like cream and black. And I got this in a size medium, but I kind of wish I got it in a small because it's very, very stretchy, and I didn't know if it was going to be stretchy or not. So I got it in a medium, but it's actually okay. It's a little bit big, but what I'm thinking is I am going to be eating on this trip. You best believe I'm going to go to Milan and I'm going to eat all the pasta, all the pizza. I want to eat everything. So maybe it's a good thing that I've sized up. I don't know. Yeah, but I really, really like this. I'm going to pair it with like a bodysuit. I'll show you which one in a bit. And next up, I got this dress because I just thought this would be nice to wear with trainers in the day. Nice bag, nice sunglasses, nice hair, nice makeup. Because this is what I'm thinking, right, guys? Usually I would be like, okay, what bikinis and cover-ups are we wearing in the day? And then I just need night outfits, easy. Whereas now I'm thinking, what day outfits and what night outfits do I need? Because I want to look good in the day, you know, I don't just want to chuck anything on. I want to wear something really nice that I feel good in. So now I've got to think of like day outfits and night outfits. It's like crazy. So I thought this would be really nice for day. It's just kind of like a basic halter neck, like slim fit, like thick but not. It's a little bit see-through, but not see-through so much that you need to wear something like underneath it. You can just wear your underwear, do you know what I mean? So yeah, I've got this. It's just kind of like basic, but actually I'll put a picture here just so you can kind of see what that looks like. But yeah, I tried it on, really liked it, so that's good. I'm gonna wear that with some nice chunky trainers and a nice bag, I think. Then the last thing that I got from Shein is a pair of trousers, just to go with like a black bodysuit on a night, just something basic, because I was running out of outfit ideas. Like, I'm not good at putting outfits together. I basically go on Pinterest and just look at outfits and copy the outfits, and whenever I see an outfit that I like on Pinterest or Instagram, I save it so that when I need an outfit for something, I will go to my Pinterest or my Instagram on my saved photos and I will look at what stuff that I've saved that I like, because I'm actually so bad at putting out. I don't have that thing in my mind where people can just put outfits together. I'm not like that. I have to find a photo on Pinterest and copy it, because I'm not that way. If you want me to do a new makeup idea, if you want me to create something on my face, no problem. But outfits, not my strong suit. So anyway, I just got these like basic trousers. They're just kind of like flowy, kind of like light material. I thought these would be nice for like on a night or even in the day, with some little sandals. Elasticated waist for the pizza as well, guys. And they just kind of like have a tie front, they've got pockets. So yeah, I just thought we will get those, and they're actually really, really nice and really, really comfy as well. So moving on to Zara. Okay, actually this has nothing to do with going on holiday, but I got this little candle. It's the Vetiver Pamplemousse candle. It's just kind of like a little one. Basically I needed a new one in my lounge. I've run out of my little one that I have. I just like a little one, and I got this for £4.99 in the sale, and it should be £15 for a size like that, and it was £4.99. So I just thought I'd mention that because it was already in the box. So I actually picked up a couple of new bodysuits and a skirt from Zara. Basically, guys, I got some of the halter neck bodysuits. I already have these. I already have them in white and black as well, but they're kind of like a year or two old, and I wanted to get fresh for my holiday, you know? So yeah, I just got the white one, just the basic halter neck bodysuits. Everybody's seen these, and I always get a medium. I would say I'm a small, but my boobs make me a medium sometimes, so depends what it is. But yeah, so I got these in a medium for that reason. So I got a white one, and then I got a black one, so just exactly the same thing but just in black. I find that these are so good for summer because they're comfy, you don't have to wear a bra, they go with everything, you can just chuck them on, they look really nice, they make you a bit snatched, and I just feel like they're such a good basic. So yeah, I just got two of those. And then this skirt, again, this is so out of my comfort zone. It's not really something that I typically wear, but I keep seeing everybody in these satin skirts and I'm thinking, I just need to get on the hype. Like, I just want to wear that. The sizing in Zara, we have all been done over by the sizing in Zara before. Like, you can buy something that's a small one day and the next day you're a large. Like, I don't care. It's just, at this point, you just have to kind of pick it and just go with it. It's really annoying. With this being satin, I thought, okay, I'll get a medium because there's no stretch in satin. And usually with stuff like this, Zara's like so small, like really, really small, but it's actually too big for me, so that's really annoying. But I think that if I was to size down to a small, it would be too small, so I think I'm just going to get this taken in. I'm going to get this tailored because I really, really like it actually. So it's kind of like, again, this like mid-axy style skirt. It's got like a little bit of gather in there and it actually has a slit at the front, and this is kind of like the bottom. I'll put a picture here, but I'm gonna wear this with like a white crop top or maybe even that like white bodysuit. Yeah, it's good. It's a bit big on the waist and the hips, so I'm gonna get it taken in just a little bit because I know that the small is gonna be too small. But also I do want a little bit of room for the pizza and the pasta, do you know what I mean? So I don't want to go too small and regret it. I do just want it taken in a little bit just to make it a bit more fitted. But yeah, I actually really, really liked this when I tried it on. I was like, oh my god, no, it actually does suit me. So I was really, really happy with that. I'll link all the products that I've mentioned in today's video in the description box as well for you guys, just in case you want to check anything out. But that's what I've been buying recently for my holiday. I will be doing some packing videos, some prepping videos, because I know you guys love all that kind of stuff, which will be coming up closer to the time when I go away. It's not going to be for a good while yet. But thank you so much for watching. I love you so much and I will see you in the next one. Bye.